In this video, I will show you how to add your contact photo and poster on iPhone. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. First, go to your phone app and then click Contacts. Now tap on My Card. In here, click Contact Photo and Poster. This contact photo and poster will be shared to your friends. Basically, this photo and poster will appear to your friends when messaging, calling, and sharing with friends. Click Continue. First is the poster. You can take a photo from your camera or choose from your gallery. Also, you can use your memoji or just a simple monogram. I personally like to add a photo, so I'll select a photo and then hit Done. Click Continue. Now for the contact photo, change this by clicking Choose a different photo. You can also use memoji here as well, but I prefer to use photo. Select your photo. Adjust or scale the photo to make it in the center. Click Continue. Under Sharing Options, you can set it to Contacts Only or have it Always Ask. And that's it. You've successfully set your contact photo and poster on iPhone. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click other videos to keep on watching.